Yo, what is going on, people? It's Jamil from FullyDrivenn, and as you can see from the title, we've got something a bit different today, and I'm excited to show you that. So a couple months ago, I ordered myself an eMTB. I've had bikes in the past. I've had a hardtail. Haven't had a full suspension mountain bike for a long time now. And anyone that knows me, I love anything with wheels, cars, bikes, mountain bikes too. And if you didn't know, I used to ride super bikes as well. Fun fact. But yeah, today we've got something a little different. We've got my first eMTB. I'm going to be doing a little series on eMTB on the FullyDrivenn channel. And this one has 100 Newton meters of torque. So as you can see, guys, it's a Canyon, a German brand, and this has been on order for about 2 months now. So because of the holiday period and whatnot, there was a bit of a delay on the order, but it's finally here, fresh from Germany. So let's unbox it and see what bike's in there. So yeah, I've never done this before, so I'm just excited as you are. So apparently it's an easy unbox. Not bad. I think there's like 4 of these. Let's get this out of the way. Enjoy the ride. Back there. So sick. We've got like a little let's get started box here. So we've got some instructions, some tools, always handy. We've got a suspension pump as well, definitely need that. We've got a bit of grease as well, assembly grease, some Allens, a little sticker, not bad. Let's get all the boring bits out of the way and let's see this bike, man. I'm excited just as much as you. I ain't seen it in person. So one thing about Canyon, and this bike came with a free water bottle. Always good. Always stay hydrated. But yeah, I haven't seen this bike in person because Canyon do a basically direct to consumer brand, so they don't have any showrooms here. You can test ride them, but this bike in particular I haven't seen in person before. So let's see what's in the box. Let me take up first. Let me take this off, that'll be handy. Hopefully, oh yeah, much better. Gosh, I'm running out of space. This box is huge, man. Woo! And as you can see, it looks good. So we've got a raw aluminium finish, which is oof, no, it looks sick. So sick. Alright, let's get this stuff off. We got DT Swiss wheels, Shawby Magic Mary, proper tyre. Easy way to get this out. Oops. Look at that suspension. Oof. Rock Shock Zeb. Right guys, so we're back. Apologies about that, but we ran out of space. That box is flipping huge. But we got out of the way, we've got the back unwrapped. There's a few bits more bubble wrap there. But yeah man, the back looks sick. So we've got battery charger here. We've got a mudguard. RockShox or Canyon mudguard. And we've got some more bits and bobs in here as well. We've got some pedals, some stickers. I don't know what material these pedals are. Let's have a look. What are these, like nylon? Yeah, nylon pedals. I thought they would have given some metal pedals at least, but we'll change those out at a later date. What I have done beforehand, I've ordered a new seat post, well not seat post, new seat, and some new grips, some ergon grips. So we're gonna put that on the back because I went on a test ride. of one of these beforehand, and the seat, no comfort whatsoever. My bum was numb for days, so we don't want any of that. But yeah, the back looks sick, man. We've got, let's show you. We've got the raw finish, so it's that raw aluminium finish. Got a few stickers on here. Raw means raw. It looks sick. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but it looks flipping sick. We've got the RockShox Zebs on the front. They look epic. And it's got SRAM Maven brakes on there. It's really good. So yeah, and we're running a mechanical gears. So on these eMTBs, most of them, they all run, how should I say, they all run electric gears. So if anything was to happen or it was to break, it would be a cheaper fix. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it all together and yeah, get the bike all together and then check in with you again. Catch me in a sec. People, so the bike's done here behind me, got the grips on, still need to change the seat. I need to put the pedals in, but unfortunately I don't have the tool, so that means I'm not going to be able to I'm not going to be able to ride it today, but it is what it is. I still need to set up the suspension, but the back looks sick. If you can tell, the front wheel's bigger than the back because it's on a mullet setup, so it's a bit more playful on the back when you're sending it, but we'll see how that goes. Yeah, like and subscribe, give a thumbs up if you want to see some more of the eMTB series of FullyDrivenn, and stay tuned.